to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful, perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well, no doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means to the people in this part of the world. There's the whistle. Oh, that was vital. Reina moved forward and quickly so. No, that's been intercepted. His positioning was spot on. Dest. Great defending, strong and determined. He's got away. Lotus has a goal! It's off target and by quite a way.
Yeah, they got away with it, but that was a defensive letdown to see him march through like that.
Pinches it off him. Played out wide.
Look, movement creates more options.
Massive leap! And that was very necessary. Robinson. Pulisic. Gently done. Played into space out wide. Out for a throw. Well, that looks a foul. Yep, referee's given it. Robinson with a real chance here. And so we have the first set piece of the game. He's had a crack. That's a half-decent try.
Robinson did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Yeah, he's fouled him there. Reina.
Yeah, Peter, just have a look at this and see how...
Can he finish? And the keeper passes the test.
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
That looks a good ball. Now the finish! Oh, the ball's run loose here.
Serginho Dest really added the width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
And that is as far as they're going to go. That's been cut out, well played. And that is out of play. Oh, good steal, he just read it. It looked as though that might lead to something quite promising, but it turned out that that was not the case. Now then, the ball's come loose. And he has been fouled there. This is a great chance to take a lead. Great chance here from position A1. He's trying the shot. Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Now, who's going to be first to this? Dinks one through. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through. And that's the end of that. It all started well enough. Big chance! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Well, that was high-class goalkeeping there to back up his high-class wage.
It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. And it's played into the middle. Oh, that's well spotted.
Yeah, this kind of bold running will always get you into areas of possibility.
Well, he had a really good run at goal there, but the defence just weren't going to let him past. He's had a hit! Now, who's going to be first to this? Can he put it away? Goal! The United States! And it's the United States who go in front. Oh, the deftness of touch, received it delightfully and finished it off sumptuously. The United States draw first blood here.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Fiddles it through. He's had a shot! No messing about, just bludgeoned away. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. And that's a foul. A simple decision for the referee. Carter Vickers. Some really good ball movement. And he'll shoot here. It's run loose. Who's going to get there? Could move up a gear here. He's found a way through. Chance! A potential goal of the season contender, if only.
Well, we can't question the quality of the run. He'll have to answer for the rest.
Reina. Oh, that's a nice ball. He's cut it out. And there's his chance to lead the counter. Well, it looked promising for a moment, but it came to nothing. Dest. He's in plenty of space here. And the shot! Looking for options for movement. Played into the middle. Defending of the desperate variety. And the counter is on. And that's been won straight back. It's all a little bit desperate, but it's got the job done.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and
the shot! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
Have their second corner now. Great hit! And he's there to make a great save.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
The United States have their third corner. Cleared away. Interesting ball. He can run onto that. Just the goal. Tries a shot! Adams. Referee's had a look, and he's blown his whistle for half-time. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, And that is the state of it at the break. 1-0.
It's a dressing room that needs rousing at half-time because, in truth, they've not really been at it so far. If the pep talk works, we may see a very different side second half. We need to.
Already up and running for the second half.
Well, I'm sure the managers talk the talk, and now it's time for these players to walk the walk and deliver a rousing response to a rousing team talk.
That a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. Dest. McKennie with the delivery. The United States get their fourth corner. Away from immediate danger. The United States, they're up to 5 corners now. Towering header! Went with his head, but couldn't steer it in. McKennie. Oh, nicely intercepted. It's run loose here. Still no way through. The defending here is resolute. Well, that had the makings of something quite promising, but it's fizzled out into nothing. Oh, shooting chance! It's loose, and there's a race for the ball. Good spot, he's seen the run. Hits one! And he hits the net! Speed of thought, efficiency of movement, and certainty of outcome.
Well, he makes finishing look like a matter of fact. Why take extra touches?
And that has added a whole new complexion to the game.
Oh, look, Peter, there's a great ebb and flow to this clash, and it's above all expectations for me.
Looks to go up and over. Forwards and with intent. Out to the right. Oh, the ball's come loose here. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. It's their second corner of the game. And he just whacks it away. The United States can counter promptly here. Now it's Pulisic. Oh, well played, well played. And they can break here. Threads one in. Well, the manager here is telling his defence to come right back, I think.
Well, I think he's telling them that they need to get a little more cautious here, because it's clear he doesn't want them just chasing and running down everything. He wants a little more conservatism to kick into this game.
And it's lofted through here. Cross shapes to shoot! Oh, the ball's run loose here. Oh, what a ball he's in here! Decent hit! Now, who's going to be first to this? The corner count is rising. That's 6. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. And now they can spring out of defence. Dest. It's going to be disappointed with that. Amat. McKennie. That pass has been well intercepted. That is a great pick out.
Don't you just love the level of intensity here? Neither is prepared to back down, and to be honest, that's how it should be.
Gets his pass away. Oh, that's a key interception.
The United States merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Now that's well seen too.
Well, they deserve an awful lot of credit for their commitment to the cause, but it's a goal credit that would be most welcome now.
He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. Reina, done delicately.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Shifted upfield. Reina. He's had it taken off him. Looking for the runner. Shade too heavy. Keeper could pick that up. Gets his pass away. Can he get onto this?
Well, from experience, I can tell you he'll get a lot of stick for getting that one wrong.
Ferreira. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. Looking for options for... There's the shot! Oh, that's incredible! And that may just do it! And that is about as cool as they come. He picked his spot expertly.
No other outcome there. That was bang in the corner, unstoppable.
Turned the game on its head. Now can they hold out?
Well, the last moments now, Peter, are going to be very frantic. There's still time for a twist or two yet.
And that should be the keeper's